Hello icons, how are you? I hope that you are doing well. Today I want to know from you what you think about your spoken English. Do you think your spoken English is so bad and poor? Actually, a lot of people who want to speak English think like this way. They think that their English is so bad and they can't improve their English. English is not made for them. They are really bad at speaking English. They think that because when they speak, they have trouble remembering the right words in the right time. They can't make sentence properly. Even they pause for a long time. And honestly, they think that they can't improve their English. Can't. And if you think like them, listen to carefully. You are absolutely wrong. Yes, my friend, you are absolutely wrong if you think like that. Why? Watch this video till the end and you will get to know. Okay, what do you think about toppers or experts? They are born as toppers or experts. What do you think that? Look into the real examples like Michael Jordan, a great basketball player, Katy Perry, a great singer, Thomas Alva Edison, Albert Einstein. Those were not good at all at the beginning. Right? Are they born experts? Of course not. Right? They were not very well at all at the beginning. Isn't it? Thomas Alva Edison had failed more than 1,000 times to invent electric bulb. And Albert Einstein didn't speak until when he was at the age of 4. It is a fact. Katy Perry had multiple consecutive failures in early life. Michael Jordan was not expert at the beginning. You should know the fact, the real fact. Those famous people had early unsuccessful life. Okay, they were not experts by birth. See my friend, when you start something new, you are going to suck. You are going to suck. You are going to make mistakes and you are going to look stupid when you want to start something new. At the beginning, only one thing you can do, that is keep moving forward, keep practicing, keep continuing your work and keep focusing on your work. Don't care about what people say about you. Just don't care. Just move forward and you will be better version of yesterday. Believe me. And this is the reality. This is the harsh truth of life. And it applies to each and everybody. To each and everybody. Now, question arises that if all are same at the beginning, then why some people succeed and some fail? Good question. And I am ready to answer you. What is the main difference between a successful person and an unsuccessful person? What distinguishes them? The answer is very simple. Some who succeed, they keep taking actions. They keep doing whatever they are doing and they keep practicing, they keep learning from failures and they keep moving forward. But those who are unsuccessful, they try at the first time. Yes, they try, but if they face failures, they stop doing this. They just say that this is not made for me, I can't do that. like this. This is the harsh reality I am talking about. Successful people never give up, never, after so many failures. But unsuccessful people, they start. But if they fail, they quit. They just give up. They say that they can't do it anymore. This is the main difference between successful people and unsuccessful people. And always remember, successful people know that if they make mistake today, they don't care. They start learning from this and they keep practicing, keep moving forward, and they keep taking actions, and they know that they will be better version of yesterday one day by practicing a lot. So that motivates them not to quit. But unsuccessful people, they just quit after failure. They can't go on. Why? And this leads to them unsuccessful. So one thing you should remember, that if you are going to start speaking English, you are going to make mistakes, you are going to suck, you are going to pause a lot, and you are going to look stupid. But this is okay, this is accepted. But don't quit your learning, don't give up. Just practice speaking English day by day and you will be better version of yesterday. Just you have to give little effort a day. Never give up, my friend, never give up. Though you have poor English or bad English, just don't care what people say. Focus on yourself to improve your English. Give efforts each day, little bit, and it will change you drastically after many days. But don't give up after first failure. Yes, this is my request to you. Don't give up. You can make mistake today, but not tomorrow. Making mistake is not permanent. It is temporary. You can learn all the things by times, by giving efforts to this. So, to sum up all the things, that if you think your English is bad, poor, don't worry. Just keep practicing, keep moving forward. Most probably keep taking actions to learn it properly. Don't give up after facing failure. Don't give up. Okay, so I hope that this video motivates you to learn and improve your English with me. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share this video. Just share this video with your friends who want to speak English but who can't speak because of fear of failure. Okay, just share this video with your friends. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, because in this channel you will get many more to learn. Till then, keep taking action, okay? And please comment below that you are taking actions to improve your English.